Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving a previous year question from CAT 2006, and this question is from the topic geometry, and this is a very interesting question, guys. So let's start this question. A punching machine is used to punch a circular hole of diameter 2 units from a square sheet of aluminum of width 2 units. So basically we have a let's say square whose sides are of length 2 units. Then we are using a punching hole to punch a hole in the square sheet, and the hole is punched in such a way that the circular hole touches one corner of the square sheet, which is marked by P as shown in the figure, and the diameter of the hole originating at P is in line with the diagonal of the square. Okay, that means if we connect the diagonal from P to the opposite end, that means that line will also be the diameter. Okay, some part of portion of that diagonal will be the diameter of the circle or the hole. So we need to find the proportion of the sheet area that remains after punching. Okay, so basically once you punch the square sheet, some area will be left over, so you need to find the remaining area divided by the total area, because we need to find a proportion, guys. Please mind the word proportion. In order to find the proportion, we first have to find the remaining area and then divide it by the original area. Second, find the area of the part of the circle falling outside the square sheet. Okay, that means you have to find the area of the segments of the two segments. Okay, let me draw a circle and a square. All right, and let me join the diagonals. All right, this point is given as P. Let's say the other vertices are A, B, C, and this is the diagonal. The diagonal should be, so this the diagonal is also the diameter. So let me do one thing, that now it's looking like the diameter, right? Diameter means it will pass to the center of the circle. So let's say this is the center of the hole with O. Let's say intersecting at this point X, this is Y. All right, let's say this is T. Okay, I need to find the area of this part, guys. Okay, this, like after you are punching the square sheet, this is the area that will be left, right? This is the area that will be left. Okay, so these are the area, these regions. Okay, these two regions, this region and this region. To find this area, so this area can be found out by subtracting these areas, some portion of the whole from the original area. So I can say total area is, so this is 2 units, 2 units, and this is 1, this is also 1, diameter is 2 units. So total area will be 2 square, side square minus. Okay, now if I join these guys, okay, if I join these 2 points, this is 90 degree. Why, guys? Why? Because semicircle, right? PT is the diameter, PT is the diameter, so angle PYT is the semicircle angle, semicircle angle, which will be basically equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle subtended by the semicircle will be a 90 degree at the circumference. So this is 90 degree. This is already 90 degree because we are told this is a square. All right. If I join this, let's see what I will get. Will this be 90 degree, guys? Yes, this will be 90 degree again. Why? Again semicircle angle, right? Again semicircle angle. Now in this quadrilateral, in quadrilateral PX TY, three angles are 90 degree. Three angles are 90 degrees. These three, right? This angle, this angle, this angle. That means the third angle will also be 90 degree. That means if I join x and y, this will be the diameter of the hole. This will be the diameter of the hole. Okay, this will be the diameter of the hole, guys, passing to the center O. Okay, let's say the height is h, this is y. So this is basically a rectangle, right? All the angles are 90 degree. So this will be h, this will be y. What can I get from here? I can say y square plus h square using Pythagoras theorem. Diameter is 2 square, and here after finding the entire area, I can subtract the semicircle, right? Area of semicircle uh, x t y plus area of triangle x p y. Guys, correct, guys? You have to subtract these two area, okay, in order to get the remaining area. So from here, what is 2 square is 4 minus semicircle area is pi r square by 2. Area of this triangle is half into base into height. So this will give me radius is 1, right? So pi by 2 plus y into h by 2. Now I need to find y into h. I have this equation, right? From this will give me y square plus h square is equal to 4. All right, if I can get another equation or relation between y and h, I can have I can find the value of y and h and then the remaining area, right? So guys, look in this. So look at triangle PYT. PYT is a triangle, right? PYT is a triangle, and triangle PCB. PCB. Look at these two triangles, guys. Look at these two triangles. Can I say these two triangles are similar, guys? Definitely yes. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is the common angle, right? This is the common angle. That means two angles are equal. So definitely the third angle will also be equal. That means these two triangles are similar. These are similar triangles. Similar triangles. Angle similarity. That means ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. That means y, which is py. Okay, I won't write y. Okay, let me write it as py. Py by pc is equal to py by pc will give me equal to ty by bc. From here, what is py? Py is y. What is pc? Pc is 2. What is ty? Ty is h. What is bc? Bc is also 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Very good. Very nice relation we have got. Y equal to h. Very nice relation, guys. Very nice relation. Okay. So from here, I can say 4 minus pi by 2 plus y and h are equal. So I can write h square by 2. So from here, y and h are equal. So y square will be h square. So 2h square equal to 4. So h square equal to 2. Substitute y equal to h. Y equal to h, substitute here. You will get h square equal to 2. If h square is equal to 2, h square by 2 will give me 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 minus pi by 2. This was the important point, guys. From here I will get 6 minus pi by 2 is the leftover area. But please remember, guys, we don't have to find the leftover area. We have to find the proportion of the leftover area of the sheet. So the proportion will be given by total leftover area by original area. What is the leftover area, guys? Leftover area is 6 minus pi by 2. What is the original area? Original area is 2 square, which is 4. So the required answer is 6 minus pi by 8. This is the first answer. A very good question, guys. A very good question. Second question, find the area of the part of the circle falling outside the square sheet. So which is the part which is outside the square sheet? This, right? This is the area of the square, which is area of the hole which is outside the square sheet. So I have to find these area. Okay, so this is a simple area, right? This is simple, guys. How? We have already found out this area, right? Semicircle plus triangle area. We already found out, right? That if I deduct this from the entire circle, I will be left over with the area of the green part, right? I will repeat again, guys. I have area of semicircle xtpy. I also know the area of triangle xpy, right? And if I subtract these two areas from the area of the circle, then I will be left with the area of the green parts. So what is the total area? Total area is pi r square, and I have to subtract pi r square by 2 plus half into base into height. Simple, guys, very simple. R is 1, so pi. R is 1, so pi by 2. Y and h are equal, so h square by 2. H square is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So this will give me pi by 2 minus 1 is equal to pi minus 2 by 2. Pi minus 2 by 2. This is the required answer for question number 2, guys. A very simple question. If you can solve the first question, second question becomes very easy, guys. All right, guys. I hope you were able to solve this question. And if you're not able to solve, don't worry, guys. I have explained it, and I hope you like my explanation and it helped you to understand the question and the concepts involved in the question, guys. Okay, so please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I will be posting more previous year questions in my channel, so please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.